Joining us, MS Now legal affairs reporter Fallon Gallagher. So, Fallon, what are these cases?
Yeah, Katie, this is the first time that the Supreme Court is hearing this issue of transgender athletes in sports. There's two separate cases, and one is actually a little bit more prominent, I would argue, than the other one. So there's the West Virginia case and the Idaho case. The Idaho case is a little bit tricky because the plaintiff at the center of that case has since tried to dismiss the case. She no longer wants to participate in sports, and so she says the issue is now moot. But I actually sat down this morning with Becky Pepper Jackson, who is the plaintiff at the center of the West Virginia case. Now, she has always identified as transgender. She has been outwardly a transgender girl since she was in 3rd grade. When she was in 5th grade, she decided that she wanted to pursue school sports. But at the same time, West Virginia had passed a law that blocked that. So she and her mother sued on the grounds that that law violated not only Title IX, but also the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. West Virginia has said that her participation on the girls' sports teams would put other girls who she's competing with and against at a disadvantage. But I want you to take a listen to what Becky and her mom had to say about those claims earlier this morning.
It really gets me down because I have been told, and I have done research on it, and I've been told by all my doctors that I don't have this advantage, but people want to say that I do.
She is who she is, and that has been from the start. And I would just hope that all parents out there follow their children's lead, support them with love, educate themselves on where they need to go, because it is a learning curve, but be there for their children.
As you can hear, both Becky and her mother are really trying to equal the playing field here for other athletes who identify as transgender, just like she does. But this case has really big implications. There are 27 states that currently have these types of similar laws on the books. So any way that the court goes here will have major implications nationwide. Katie?
All right, Fallon Gallagher, thank you very much for joining us.